Hey everyone, Desiree here. Welcome back to another video. I'm really excited to share my newest delivery with you all. As you can see, this says your happy mail has arrived. Very exciting. This is from a company called Melanin Eclectic. Hope that's going to focus. But this is really cool. I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what it is because we're going to open it together. But I have been waiting for this for about a month. I think I ordered this about a month ago. It was a pre-order. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Oops, hopefully this is not showing my address. Look at how beautiful the packaging is. Okay, so this is from Brittany. If you are opening this box, then you are making one of my big dreams come true. The first one of its kind, and it is ready for you to enjoy. I hope that you enjoy it. Black Mermaids is the theme of this planner. The artist we are highlighting in this first edition is me. I hope you enjoy the art. It was a fun time to create. Oh, very sweet. Okay. So yes, this is a reading, I think it's a reading planner, book planner. Well, you'll see. So look at the gorgeous packaging. Look at this really pretty washi tape. Now this is my first time ordering anything from this shop. And I actually stumbled onto her account on Instagram. Very sweet. Okay, so it says Melanin Eclectic Reading Planner 2021, and you can see it does have the theme of the Black Mermaid, and I hope that's focusing. Yes, it is. So now, one of my goals for 2021 is to read a book every month. I set that goal at the beginning of every year, and sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. But I also really wanted to support this shop. This is a Black-owned shop, and so I figured this would be a great way to do it. Not only do I get to support, some of our fellow planner sisters in the community, but this is also something that I think is going to be very useful and helpful for me in achieving my goals in the new year. So you can see the first page, it says this planner belongs to. And then you have a new releases page, pre-order, reading goals, a cute little picture to color in. Oh, I see you get a few of those. Then you have your reading list, and for the month, Buddy Reads, Readathons, socials, your stats, start and readathon, Buddy Reads. Then you have an undated month on 2 pages, a content calendar, I guess, notes, to-do lists, notes, to-do list. Then you have here, I guess, where you would write down the actual book that you're reading. So you have space for the title, author, date started, rating, date finished, thoughts, and then if it's a physical book, an ebook, or an audiobook. And I'm so glad she gave space for those because I do consume books in all 3 of those formats, especially audiobooks, because I like to listen to audiobooks when I'm working out. So this is nice. This is great. So you get plenty of room. I don't know if I'll be I don't know if I'll be reading this many books in the month. I mean, I would love to, but I just don't think I have that much time. Then you have favorite quotes, and then you have a notes page, and then I think it all repeats, and then you go back into, you get a new month, and then all of those pages start over again. So this is exciting. This is really nice. I love the, that it's a smaller planner, and I like this teal colored coil. So I think this is something that I can definitely, just kind of keep by my bed or in my exercise room. So when I'm listening to audiobooks, when I'm working out, I can jot down my notes and so forth. Now, I do kind of wish, though, that the coil wasn't so close to the date boxes here. And I don't know if that was intentional or if it just, that's how it came out, you know, in the binding process. Because this is very, very narrow. So I would have rather, you know, scoot this over a little bit. Because obviously this isn't going to be a big enough notes column, not for me. And you have so many pages for notes anyway. So I would have liked the calendar to be a little bit bigger. But I understand, you know, maybe this was as big as she could, you know, do it with the size of the paper. So, oh, and look, you get these cute little dividers in here. The world belongs to those who read. So this is some beautiful art, and I think this is Brittany's own art from what she said in that cute little welcome letter. So very colorful, very unique, very different. Oh, I like that. This looks like a goddess type photo. It says, "I wish my passport kept record of all the places I've traveled in book." Very cute. So I'm definitely going to start using this because I've already started on some books for the year. I've already got a couple books that I finished and that I can log in here. So I will, if I can remember to keep up with my book reading and, you know, logging everything down, I will do updates in this planner and let you guys know how I'm liking it and how far along I'm getting with my reading. So I don't know if I'll do it monthly, maybe I'll do it quarterly, you know, either way, but I'll definitely, you know, keep you guys updated. Oh, and I do want to mention too, the paper quality on this feels really, really nice. It's very, very smooth, but it doesn't feel, you know, thin or cheap. So I will have a link to her website. I'm not sure if she is selling these or if they're only available on pre-order or if she has them in stock all the time. But whatever the case may be, I will have her information linked down below in case you are interested. So there you go. That is my Melanin Eclectic Reading Planner for 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing. And that's going to be it for this video. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next one.